What's up? So it's been a minute since I've made a video. Water gangsters. Anyway. Yeah, it's been a minute. We've had some bad weather, lots of rain. I've been busy with the kids, so I haven't been able to exactly go. So I'm gonna try a few places. I really wanted to try something out today, just a chill day. So we got a Triumph, St. Croix Triumph medium light 6.8 with the TRD bug on a number 4 Gammy Jeeker rig. I build these. Here's what I wanted to try out. That new baits from Tacklewarehouse. They're exclusive. And see how it does. But yeah. Well, let's get to it. I don't even know if it'll throw this. I haven't set this up. I haven't done anything. Yep. I should have probably tested this out before I brought it. It's a 1/16 ounce drop shot. Look. Y'all better stay up there. Oh, it actually behaved. Okay. Why did I just get a bunch of slack? Tell you what, these hundos feel so good in the hand, man. And I thought I was gonna hate these knobs, these big knobs. I hate big knobs, but where they're tapered, they're not bad. They're not as bad as I thought they were gonna be. And this casted that pretty daggone far. That's okay. I like them a little looser in there. Okay. But she likes smooth, huh? Okay. We can handle smooth. We can do smooth. At least I think I can. I like to think I can handle smooth anyway, huh? Uh-oh. I'm on, boys. Oh, that drag has got to be tightened up, huh? What do we got? Uh-oh. Look at that little red ear. Sorry guys, I love catching these things. I love catching these little rock bass. What are you? Oh, you ain't even 8 inches. Okay. He's a healthy chunk though. Say hi. and they told me the number 4s are too small. When I first started building these 2 or 3 years ago, these Jika rigs, they said these number 4 gammies were too small to get good hookup ratios with, and I don't think I've ever missed a fish that I've let get it in its mouth, you know. Oh, not smooth. I don't want to handicap you because I feel like, you know what, today is about playing anyway, so let's see if we can loosen you up. Let's go up 2 clicks. Is that a bad idea? Is that a terrible idea? Well, you got to come out of there because you're the only thing I brought today. You've got to come out. Bait look good. Bait look good. Well, good thing I brought shorts. Can I keep my sock dry? Because I know that boot's gonna get wet now. Laugh some more, assholes. That could have got a lot worse. Huh. Okay. Why are you being a dummy? I just cast over that I can't see. Y'all are biting, the smallmouth should be biting. Ain't got right, boy. So that looked really good. There should have fish line. Should have been something else in there. Ooh. There's gotta be. This is not what I'm going after. Well, actually that's a lie. Like, I just knocked him stupid accidentally. Okay. Have a good day. Hope your day gets better. Fish line. Woo. Okay. You know, you can always tell when it's a rock bass too, that you get that tick, 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 tick. Some head shakes, boy. They aggressive. That's like the pit bull chihuahuas of the water world. Oh, there was one. Nope. Oh. That is a largie, and I've seen him eat it, and I don't have him hooked good. He's a little feller. Can I make you famous? You gonna let me boat flip you? Yep. Oh, and they say these little gammies, oh man, won't hook penetrate, but I bent my hook all to hell. Little largie, yeah, solid. He wanted to be famous. Look at him, look at him. He's a cute little feller. I'm glad you played ball though. You're healthy, good and fat. Yeah, okay, okay. Grow up, become my next PB. Woo, that makes me so happy. What does not make me happy is how I bent this in his jaw, trying to get it out of that hard front part of the front. Ugh. Yeah, that won't do. That just won't. That just ain't gonna do. It's the price you pay. These little ones don't take nothing to get. I just penetrated his whole hard jaw, bottom jaw. And look at these TRDs, man. It ain't even tore. You know, it looks like I almost know what I'm doing. Oh, oh. Come on, dance a little. I'm gonna shake that butt. I'm gonna shake that butt. Okay, okay, okay. There's a chain right there. And it's chained to this big table. And that makes good fish habitat. But I can't for the life of me know why they chained this big stainless table down. Oh, they got two chains. Oh, okay, okay. I've never seen that. I always come through here in a kayak and have never witnessed that. So I feel special. I feel like I have seen something now, boys and girls. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it that way. Nothing. Nada. Smalley! Smalley! And that's why, oh, nope, get out of there. That's why we love you. That's why we love you. Come to daddy. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Oh, you're decent. I didn't think you were that good. Ooh, you choked it, didn't you? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, that's you're like a 13, maybe 14. I did not bring anything to measure today, so I'm screwed if I catch a 20. That's all right. Oh, God, I'm so happy. Look, that's my... Let me give you a smooch. Okay, okay. Back in the water. I was just about to, like, hardcore. Watch this. Here's why I like these bugs, right? In the water. They just I knew, man. I knew. I was just whining about how nothing bit there. There's like, it's impossible for me not to catch something there. Well, while we're here, don't mind if I do. Starting to smell like I'm gonna fish this hole pretty hard because I know there should be something home. I've caught a lot of bigger fish out of here, 17s, 18s. One possible 20, but I'm dumb and don't bring anything to measure half the time. It just looks good in the hand, don't it? I'm a big fan of purple to begin with. Nobody home, huh? Or y'all just not liking the Sally today? I find that hard to believe because that salamander gets work done. Oh, that was a fish. Hello, buddy. Another good, healthy rock bass. I knew there was something in there. I thought you choked it, and I was so sorry, but you did choke it. You just didn't get hurt. I'm glad. I'm glad. Look at him. Look at, I love catching these. I should have brought a stringer. These things are actually excellent to eat, man. Fish slime, fish slime. Everybody loves getting fish slime. Say, I knew there had to be somebody home. And it is the start of when smallmouth are. Usually I go by, they bite all winter, right? But it's real slow unless you can just get them on a good day. But as soon as the dogwoods and the trees start leafing out, that's when they go to being a little more aggressive. That's probably a 30-yard cast. It's hard to, perspective on these videos is so hard to get real. So it's probably 35, 40 yards to the bank. I think I could get 40 out of this if I needed. a rock. Don't get too excited. Surely you've caught enough fish to calm down now, Benjamin. No, no. Is that a smallie? That is a smallie. Yeah. Picked it up on the drag. Picked it up on the drag. And I let you try to eat it, but I didn't. I don't think I let you eat it good enough, did I? Come on. Come on. Oh, I just put it down in there further. It's a good little 9 or 10 incher. I still love you though. Little tongue. I still love you. My favorite fish in the whole world, guys. By far, hands down. I knew y'all were in there. Fish line, fish line. Everybody loves fish line. That means you called one and you did your job and you're happy. I don't like text exposing. I have found, and I know people are going to fry me, that text exposing a hook does not affect your hookup rate. Bull crap. Bull crap. I call baloney. Tell you what though, all reels are accurate, right? That's what the dial. Look, before we get into this, I own like 9 dials. Plan on getting more, but the Daiwa people, their claim is control and accuracy, right? All reels are accurate. Let's get that out of. Sometimes you just gotta do it. Like that. Like that. Come here, buddy. Give me my hook back. Thank you. Thanks for playing ball. Whew. I knew you were there. Fish line, fish line. I have way too much fun catching them. They're the pit bull chihuahuas, man. How can you not like something that just gobbles everything? Work the current seam. Going through some boulders that could be holding my new. If I would have set the hook, I'd have caught something. It did not attack like a pit bull chihuahua, so I think that was something more appropriate. Too far up, dummy. Your boy can't. Let's just sit down instead of fall down. How about that? Y'all should have seen that. That was smooth. Oh, nope. It was a rock. I got excited. I felt what I wanted to feel. Yeah, come in a little bit on the edge. That way you just don't get sucked downstream. And let's feel that thump. Let's feel that thump. No thump. I felt it that time. Oh yeah, I knew you was in there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, I knew it. Okay, I feel ya. It's are you hooked good, buddy? You're hooked good enough. You're not going anywhere. You are better than I thought. I thought you were a lot smaller fish. Now, he ain't no giant, but oh no. Get out of there. Yeah, he's no giant, but they are chunky. You guys have been eating good all winter. I'm so proud of you guys. I am so proud of you guys. You all have done well. Give me a kiss. You're so special to me. Little tongue. I knew you were in there. I knew it. And I missed you. All right, buddy. Oh, you're chunky and you're healthy. Anyway, go on. Fish line, fish line. Oh. Did you? Okay, that's what happened. I caught him slacking in the slack current. He was right there on the brake line waiting for it. What's the chances there's another? I felt him thump it once and then my line stopped, and that's when I knew I was either on a rock or he was a big one.